Crypto versus stocks, where to invest in 2025. One built Wall Street. The other is rewriting the future. And now in 2025, crypto can even help you buy a house in America. So where should you invest your money today, for real gains, real growth, and real freedom? Let's find out. Big news in 2025. In a surprising 2025 move, U.S. lenders are starting to accept crypto assets like Bitcoin when reviewing mortgage applications. That means your digital wallet could help you buy your dream home. At the same time, U.S. stocks just hit a new all-time high, led by tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, and Apple. So while crypto is becoming more legitimate, stocks are still the safe zone for smart money. Profit potential. In 2024, the S&P 500 returned around 12%, slow, solid, stable. But Bitcoin, it soared over 120% in just months. And that's the pattern. Crypto can double fast, but it can crash just as hard. Stocks grow slower, but rarely wipe out your savings. Risk versus regulation. Stocks are backed by real businesses, with earnings reports, laws, and oversight. Crypto, it's wild. Prices move on news, tweets, and global fear. But 2025 is changing that. Now that crypto is accepted by U.S. financial institutions, it's gaining serious credibility. Passive income and real use. Want passive income? Stocks give you dividends, companies paying you just to hold shares. Crypto gives you staking rewards, lock your coins and earn interest. Now with new mortgage rules, you don't even have to sell your crypto, you can use it as collateral and still keep your coins. Final verdict. So, what should a smart investor do in 2025? Go for stocks if you want consistent growth and lower risk. Choose crypto if you believe in higher returns and can handle volatility. Or do both. A balanced portfolio today might look like this: 60% in stocks, 30% in crypto, 10% cash or real estate. That's how many young Americans are investing right now. So, where would you invest $1,000 right now? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you think smarter about your money, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you there.